Hello, Primary 5, my dear students. Hope you are fine. Welcome back again to the second part of grammar of today's session, which is about the present perfect tense, the first conditional if, and the second conditional if. Let's start first with the present perfect tense. Yes. Its form, yes, as we see in the table, I, we, you, and they, plus have. Excellent. He and she and it, plus has, yes, plus past participle. Past participle. We use the present perfect tense when we talk about an action happened in the past in an indefinite time, no specific time in the past. Number two, we use it, yes, if we have an action happened in the past and has a result. Yes, excellent. Examples. He has broken his leg. We don't know when exactly he broke it. I have been in France for 3 years. I am showing that I know how to speak French and know the country well. The present perfect tense can be used with some key words list. First, like ever, never, already, just, yet, since, for, and how long. Look at the table. We have the positive form and the negative form and the question form. First of all, we start with the positive one. I, we, you, they, plus have and past participle. He or she or it, plus has plus past participle. If we want to put it in negative form, what can we do? Just as not, yes, to have or has, haven't or hasn't plus past participle. If we want to make a question, we can start with excellent. Have or has plus subject plus past participle. But if we have a question word like what, where, when, yes, we put after them have or has plus subject plus past participle. The keywords. Already, just, and never. They come between the two parts of the tense. Yes, have or has plus just, yes, or already, or never, plus past participle. I have just finished my work. He has already written the lesson. They have never come late. What about ever? Yes, often comes in the question. Have you ever eaten Italian food? It means before. Have you eaten Italian food? Or have you ever eaten Italian food? Excellent. Have you ever eaten Italian food? What about yet? Yet comes at the end of the question and the negative sentence. Have you finished yet? My father hasn't arrived yet. More examples. We have 4 examples. We can read them together. I have just arrived at home. Excellent. I haven't arrived at home yet. She has already bought a car. She hasn't bought a car yet. Rewrite using the words in practice. They finished the project. Yes, I want you to use just in the sentence. They, yes, after they have, excellent. And we put just plus past participle finished the project. Again, they have just finished the project. Excellent. Number 2. He is watching the film now. Use already. The same like just. He has, yes, already watched the film. Excellent. He has already watched the film. Number 3. I have never seen the Eiffel Tower. Start with have to make a question. Have you ever seen the Eiffel Tower? What did we do, mister, in this case? Yes, we cancelled never and put ever. Yes, because we can use ever in the question. Have you ever seen the Eiffel Tower? Number 4, we are not washing the windows at the moment. Use yet. We know that yet comes, yes, at the end of the negative form or at the end of the question. We haven't washed the windows yet. We can add yet at the end of the sentence. The first conditional if. If plus present simple, yes, will, the other part of the sentence, will plus infinitive. We use the first conditional when we talk about real or possible situations. For example, if it rains, I will take the umbrella. Excellent. If the teacher comes, this present simple, tomorrow, we will have a quiz. Yes, will plus infinitive. Example number 3, you will feel hot if you wear heavy clothes in summer. Mister, can we put if at the beginning or in the middle? Yes. Like here. You will feel hot if you wear, yes, heavy clothes in summer. If in the middle or at the beginning, it's not a problem. What's after if here? Present simple. The other part is will plus infinitive. We will go to Paris if we have a long vacation. Yes. Activity 1. Choose the correct answer from practice. If the weather, yes, is nice, we will go fishing. After if, present simple, and is here is in present simple. Verb to be in the present simple. If she listens carefully, she, yes, what will happen? She will understand. If they take a taxi, they will arrive. Excellent. On time. If it is cold, I'll wear heavy clothes. If she passes the exam, she will go to the university. He, we have if here in the middle. Yes, I said before, after if, present simple, and the other part, yes, will plus infinitive. He will get, yes, very tired if he plays all day. Number 7, this soup will taste better if it has more salt in it. If it has more salt in it. Activity number 2. Rewrite the sentences using the words in practice. She gets a high mark. Her mother buys her a present. What can we do? First, we start with if. In the first conditional case, we make what? Yes after if. We put the tense will be the present simple, and the other part will plus infinitive or won't plus infinitive. If she gets a high mark, her mother, yes, will buy her a present. Don't forget to put a comma, yes, between the two sentences. If she gets a high mark, her mother will buy her a present. Number 2, we work hard. We have much money. Use if. If we work hard, what will happen? We will have much money. Excellent. Now let's go to the second part, the second conditional if. Yes. The first one we said if plus present simple, and the other part will plus infinitive. Here, if plus past simple, the other part, yes, would or could or might plus infinitive. If we are talking about unreal situations, we use the second conditional if. For examples, if he spoke English, he would enjoy himself in England. It means that he can't speak English. If I worked hard or carefully, I wouldn't make so many mistakes. It means I work carelessly. She would pay you if she had money. It means that she doesn't have money. Yes. We can use the second conditional if when we give advice. If I were you, is used when giving advice about what you would do in the same situation as the other person. You imagine yourself in their position or situation and what you would do or how you would react. For example, if I were you, I would study more. It's equal, you should study more. Again, if I were you, I would study more. We use it, number three, in imagination. It means what? We use it while talking about imaginative situation. In this case, all pronouns are followed by were, not was. Be careful. If she were a bird, she would fly. It means, yes, she's not a bird to fly. Number two, if I were a king, I would marry, yes, a queen. It means, I'm not a king to marry a queen. Activity 1. Choose a correct verb from the practice. If I, yes, had the time, I would travel to Europe. We have the second part, would plus infinitive. It means we are, yes, in the second conditional F. If I had, past simple. If I wrote my homework, I would give it to the teacher. If I had a map, I would be alright. She would get a good salary if she had a higher degree. If here is in the middle, it's not a problem. We can use if at the beginning or we can put it in the middle. Her health would improve if she slept longer. Peter joined or join or would join or joins us later if he found time. Yes, if he found time, yes, he would join us. Number 6. He would write much better if he, excellent, used a better pen. If you smoked less, you would feel better. If he had the money, yes, would he spend it? As a question. If he had the money, would he spend it? Number 9. If I, yes, if I were, excellent, I can hear you. If I were you, I would study hard. Yes, when we advise others. Number 10. If he were a bird, he would fly. Yes, this is called imagination. So, he is not a bird to fly. So we say, if he were a bird, yes, he would fly. Thank you so much for watching this video and wait for me for the third part of grammar. Have a nice time and goodbye.